इसका आगे मत जाओ। हाँ? नहीं? ओह क्या बात है। अरे उधर करे तो कैसे होता है? ज़्यादा हो गया, थोड़ा सा बढ़ा। दिखा जा वहीं कनेक्ट होगा वहीं जाके
के दौरान एकत्रित की थी और ये विकसित भारत 2047 को समर्पित है। आपके बिल्कुल बाईं ओर ऑडिटोरियम है जो कि आधुनिक तकनीकी उपकरणों से सुसज्जित है। इसमें 2000 लोगों के बैठने की व्यवस्था है। ऑडिटोरियम की दीवार पर हमारी मातृभूमि भारत का नक्शा देखा जा सकता है। यहाँ कैडेट्स के लिए सभी केंद्रीय गतिविधियों का आयोजन किया जाता है। सभी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम भी यहीं पर आयोजित होते हैं।
With great honor and pride, we take this opportunity to proudly announce the valor and bravery of Cadet Sergeant Pratap Singh of 10th Punjab Battalion NCC, Gurdaspur, who was awarded with Ashok Chakra Class 3 in 1966, which is equivalent to Shaurya Chakra now by the then Honorable President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. A plaque depicting the bravery of Cadet Sergeant Pratap Singh and his fellow cadets is placed in front of the auditorium gate to honor the brave son and motivate the young cadets of NCC. Distinguished guests, ladies, officers and cadets. अब इस तरह जाएगा ठीक है सर।
Retired Cadet Aradhya Srivastava, welcome you to the Hall of Fame. Since its first establishment on 5th of January 1994, this hall has stood tall as a beacon of character, unity, and service among the youth. Each room encapsulates the essence of NCC, celebrating the rich legacy of courage, discipline, and excellence. My fellow cadets will now guide you to the hall, and I hope you have a wonderful visit. Jen, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Jen, sir. Welcome to the room. Echo heroic face of color. Royal addition to your back. India, which unfolds from its formative years, a testament to its rich roots and legacy. Your front, behold the NCC pledge, a solemn commitment etched onto the very fabric of courage and discipline. Traverse through time, witnessing the evolution of NCC from 1917 to 2025. Each chapter, a saga of dedication and service. The wall to your left showcases our NCC insignia, a proud emblem that encapsulates the spirit of leadership and unity. This room echoes the triumphant narratives of NCC, a heritage that stands tall in the annals of bravery. Jen, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jen, sir. I, Rashida, extend a warm welcome to you in our NCC alumni room. This wall, towards your left, consists of pictures of our distinguished alumni who have made us proud in fields of sports, cinema, international relations, and various other fields. In front of you is the wall, depicting the history and journey of NCC banner presentation from our first Prime Minister, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, to our current Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, marking the 75th anniversary of NCC. Towards your right, the first block indicates the honours and awards presented to our cadets. In the middle of the wall are souvenirs of recent endeavours undertaken by our NCC cadets and presented to our Honourable Prime Minister. The first one being the sword, presented by Major Shashi Mehta, who ran 80 kilometers every day under Nari Shakti Bandhan Run, a run of 6 days, 470 kilometers from Jhansi to Delhi. Amongst the other memorabilia is the Kalash, containing soil from 21 different states, collected under mega cyclotron from Guwahati to Delhi and from Kanyakumari to Delhi. Besides is the Wall of Fame, encapsulating the pictures of Captain Vikram Batra and Lieutenant Manoj Pandey, Paramveer Chakra awardees, alumni of NCC, and our inspiration who fought gallantly in Operation Vijay. So, towards your right is the map of India, depicting 17 directorates and 2 officers' training academies, OTA County and OTA Gwalia, respectively. Jai sir.
Jai sir. I, Satisha Singh, welcome you to the Army Wing of the Hall of Fame. As you can see, this room is filled with stories to tell, starting with tanks and artillery guns of the Indian Army. On the topmost shelf, 130 mm medium guns are displayed. The middle shelf has armored tanks such as T-90 Bhishma and Arjun with night vision equipment which help in battlefield surveillance and target acquisition by firing. The bottommost shelf has a combination of tanks and guns such as 155 mm Bofors, which were the key weapon used during the 1999 land war between India and Pakistan. The walls of FS salutes the courage and valor of NCC cadets who created history by scaling the world's highest peak in the year 2013 for the first time, and they recreated it again in 2016 and recently in 2025. The central model depicts the various mountaineering expeditions. The pictures in the wall depict the service-specific training given to Army Wing cadets, which include training, navigating, fieldcraft and battlecraft, field survival tactics, and tactical maneuvering. The wall towards your right represents the 2 officer training academy and 17 directorates of NCC with the motto of service forces.
Very good.
So,
This expedition, the youngest cadet would be
Jai sir. I, Lieutenant Captain Sumant Singh, welcome you to the Hall of Naval Training. The wall on your left includes semaphore, boat rigging, boat pulling, and many other seamanship activities. To check our brave hearts, we conduct various adventurous activities such as windsurfing, boat pulling, and scuba diving. This wall depicts the same. We are also presented with an opportunity to participate in Yachting Regatta and overseas deployment. This wall has the same things. We are groomed as future leaders with the motto of Indian Navy, Shyam Varuna. May the Lord of Water be auspicious on us. In the middle of the hall, you can see the model of INS Karamani, which is the first Indian ship of Indian Navy and first Indian naval ship to circumnavigate the globe. In your right hand side, you can see frigates and destroyers, which are also crafted by our cadets. The antiques present in the hall depicts the custom and transition of Indian Navy to ages. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Jai sir. I, Cadet Sergeant Travis Spartan, am honored to welcome you to the airway display of Hall of Fame. The wall to your left showcases cadets participating in various adventure activities like parasailing, parajumping, mountaineering, flying, and more. Here, you can see a life-size mannequin dressed in a fighter pilot's uniform, completed with a helmet and a G-suit. As we progress further, the wall facing you is dedicated to air training, which includes drill, aviation-related subjects, and aeromodeling. Apart from this, spirit of sportsmanship and adventure is highly appreciated in NCC. The wall to your right showcases cadets participating in various adventure activities like football to horse riding. Now, I would like to have your attention at the wall to your right, where the air wing cadets have prepared various type of models, aircraft, where fighters are placed at the top, helicopters are placed at the center, and transport aircraft are placed at the bottom. I would like to have your eyes at the center of this room, where we have the majestic Al-76, which is the centerpiece of display, prepared by the aeromodeling cadets of NCC Air Wing. Jai sir.
Then sir, I, Cadet Captain Rudraj Kadam, welcome you to the Youth Exchange Program section of the Hall of Fame. A cross-border initiative uniting cadets globally, fostering the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This program involves cadets from various countries like Mauritius, Nepal, UK, naming a few, participating in various activities like leadership, military training, cultural exchange, strengthening the international ties. This year, cadets from 22 countries will be the part of RDC, fostering the spirit of cultural harmony. The wall before you depicts the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat initiative, which promotes the spirit of unity and national integration. Now, I would like to have your attention on the wall behind. This wall depicts the special sailing expedition named Paramveer Sagar Yatra, a sailing expedition in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to commemorate the extraordinary courage and supreme sacrifice of our PVC awardees, covering 21 islands named in their honor. A total of 400 cadets have participated in the sailing expedition, which has commenced from 6th of January and will last till 14th of January 2026. So, as NCC, we are not only building leaders, but nurturing responsible citizens. Jai sir.
Jai. Thank you, sir.
जय हिंद बहुत बड़ा बनाया इन्होंने जय हिंद
I, Cadet Simonado, welcome to our latest body program. Today on display is the creative handbook of NCC enabling cadets who have constructed the skillship models of actual Indian leadership, which include the detailed exhibits of superstructures, sensors, and SS on board. These ship models were constructed during the All India Nostani Camp held in Nolada. Sir, now I kindly request you to proceed for the ship model briefing. INS Surat, the fourth and final destroyer of Visakhapatnam class, Project 15 Bravo, which is recently commissioned with AI-enabled technology. Moving ahead, we have the mighty aircraft carrier, INS Vikramaditya Aditya, which is the flagship of Indian Navy. Up to this, we have the INS Imphal, another destroyer of Visakhapatnam class, and the sister ship of INS Surat. All of these models are constructed by the cadets themselves during the camp. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Jain sir,
Jain.
I'm Cadet Captain Abhishek Vishwakarma. Sir, NCC cadets have undertaken major sailing expeditions on board DK Wheeler sailing boats. A special sailing expedition was undertaken from Prayagraj to Kolkata, covering distance up to 1605 kilometers. Around 400 cadets participated in this expedition. Numerous such expeditions take place every year by NCC cadets. Sir, NCC cadets also get opportunity to sail with Indian Navy and Coast Guard ships, proceeding for overseas deployment to foreign countries. I have been part of overseas deployment on board ICGS Sarthak, which had proceeded to Kuwait, Iran, and Saudi Arabia. This opportunity broadens our horizon and provides us an actual glimpse of life at sea, along with cultural exchange and interaction with foreign navies all over the world. Jain sir.
Jain sir,
Jai Hind.
I'm Lieutenant Janvi Patel. Showcase here is the model of INS Tari, 50-foot offshore sailing vessel on board which 2 extensive women cadets circumnavigated the globe, covering a distance of 26,000 nautical miles. Adjacent to it is INS Tarangini. On board, 200 NCC cadets sailed from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam in 2025. These cadets got an opportunity to experience rich cultural heritage along with maritime traditions of the Indian Navy. So, presently, 2 such expeditions are underway. On board ISP Trinity, which is a tri-service all-women sailing expedition, and on board INSP Condinia, indigenously built ship, which is sailing from India to Muscat, Oman. Both these expeditions have former NCC cadets as their crew. Thank you, sir, for visiting our ship model enclosure.
Thank you.
Jain, sir.
Jai Hind. Jai Same routine is followed. Whenever we are keep reading the start.
Jain, sir.
Jai Hind.
We We are Alvin cadets here to brief on the aero models. We have been trained on radio control models, control line models, and static models, which was made from scratch using pulse sound. On both the corners, you can observe radio control model. Right in front of you, it's control line model. And on the display table, there are 4 static models, which includes fighter aircraft, transport aircraft, and attack helicopter.
This is Su-30 MKI, a Russian twin-engine fighter with excellent maneuverability. It carries BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles and performs air-to-air and air-to-ground missions.
This is C-295 tactical transport aircraft manufactured by Spain. It can carry up to 71 troopers and 50 paratroopers.
This is Mi-35, also known as the Flying Tanks, originated from the Soviet Union. It's a versatile assault and attack helicopter designed for anti-armor roads, close air support, and troops transport.
This is Mirage 2000, a single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force, known for its reliability and precision strike capability. It features delta-wing design, advanced avionics, and strong air defense.
These are the RC models made by our cadets in All India Biosonic Camp, having 4 control channels and powered with 7.2cc glow-stroke engine, and can perform maneuvers like steep turns, barrel roll, and many other maneuvers. And to the conclusion, air modeling not only teaches us how to make and fly air models, but also inculcates a sense of discipline and responsibility among the cadets. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
On the behalf of National Cadet Corps, we Yuva of the Mitra warmly welcome you to our stall. The Yuva of the Mitra scheme is a flagship initiative of National Disaster Management Authority aimed at training over 237,000 young volunteers from 4 youth organizations. National Cadet Corps, National Services Scheme, Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, and Bharat Scouts and Guides were trained as community first responder. As per the directives of Ministry of Home Affairs, the 17th Directorate of NCC has been entrusted with the responsibility of training 94,400 NCC cadets as Yuva of the Mitras. This initiative channels the youth power into a strong community-led shield. Now, we will show you 3 live demonstrations on CPR, eyeball injury, and drop techniques, which play a crucial role in critical time of disaster.
The training and the Yuva of the Mitra scheme have provided the ambulance 7 days on 16 different topics. The training is divided into 3 parts. Sir, are you having training, practical training, field drill, and simulation? After the completion of the training, every cadet is provided with ID card, certificate, 3 years of insurance, and emergency responder kit, which consists of 15 items. Not only this, our stall also reflects the real-life disaster response across the country. In the year 2025, the NCC cadets provided critical rescue and relief operation in Wayanad landslide, humanitarian aid in Punjab flood, traffic control and crowd management in Mahakumbh Mela, while simultaneously conducting mock drill and community support under Operation Sindoor to mitigate future risks. At the end, I would like to say that these young volunteers are always available to respond during any abda to give immediate support to the civil administration and disaster response agencies to build a disaster-resilient India.
Very good.
Jain sir.
Jai Hind.
Namaste and a very warm welcome to a truly soulful cultural display from North India,
Representing
the vibrant heritage of Punjab
the rustic charm of Haryana.
and the mountain magic of Himachal.
जब शब्द थम जाते हैं तब संगीत भावनाओं की आवाज बनते हैं। यह गीत केवल प्रस्तुति नहीं बल्कि त्याग, साहस और सम्मान की अनुभूति है।
From Himachal's sunlit peaks rise melodies of Punjab's joy and Haryana's valor.
Let the melodies touch your heart.
Let the emotions speak louder than words.
लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए पंजाब की रौनक,
हिमाचल की खूबसूरती
और हरियाणा की वीरता का प्रदर्शन।
So ladies and gentlemen,
Sit back and enjoy
the group song by the cadets of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate.
सानू सौदा नहीं भुगदा चढ़वे सानू सौदा नहीं भुगदा रावी तो चढ़ा पुछदा रावी तो चढ़ा पुछदा हाल सत भुगदा चढ़वे की हाल सत भुगदा धीरे आखदी रे जोगिया झूठ कौन उठने यार मना बधाई ऐसा कोई तेरा ज्ञान ले आ बधाई। भला सिपाहिया डोगरिया रस लिया धारा तेरी सौ रस लिया धारा तेरा बड़ा मन लगता रस लिया धारा तेरी सौ रस लिया धारा तेरा बड़ा मन लगता। भला सिपाहिया डोगरिया दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा तेरी सौ दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा सुहानी रुत पगने दी हो दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा तेरी सौ दो दिन छुट्टियां आई जा सुहानी रुत पगने दी सुहानी रुत पगने दी सुहानी रुत पगने दी। लगे आजा पतन जनाब दा यार लगे आजा पतन जनाब दा सिर सदका मैं जावा तेरे नाम दा यार लगे आजा पतन जनाब दा। नी मैं दूरों वे क्या माही आबदा गजरा ते माही लब काबदा यार मैनू रमजान नाल बुलावदा मैनू रमजान नाल बुलावदा यार लगे आजा पतन जनाब दा नाम साईदा नाम रब दा ले दिया
After this mesmerizing performance, we will now shift our focus to the crown of the nation, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. The NCC cadets of this directorate played a pivotal role in Operation Sindoor, wherein the NCC cadets provided unparalleled support in civil defense role. This not only strengthened our soldiers, but also air warriors, dealing with adversaries on the battlefront, and provided much needed support and relief for civil administration and general populace of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. NCC battalions are located in border areas such as Poonch, Kargil, Baramulla, Kupwara, and Ladakh. Besides the Army NCC units, the Air Wing NCC is at Udhampur, and Naval Wing is located on the banks of picturesque Dal Lake at Srinagar. The contribution reaffirmed NCC's role as a vital youth organization that not only trains future leaders, but also serves as a reliable support system during national emergencies and natural calamities. Through courage, compassion, and coordination, the NCC cadets of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Directorate upheld the core ethos of NCC, unity and discipline, bringing pride to the nation. Our next performance will be a group dance performed by the cadets from Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Directorate.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Arman Sharma.
मैं Cadet Archana Sharma.
We, the cadets of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Directorate, are presenting Veer Dhara Ke Cadet Hum Hain, a group dance that signifies spirit, courage and energy of NCC cadet.
यह नृत्य हमारे देश की युवा शक्ति को समर्पित है, जो स्वयं को गर्व से जन गण मन अधिनायक मानते हैं और हमारे प्रगतिशील राष्ट्र को विकसित भारत बनाने का ध्रुव हैं.
It also highlights the NCC's role in shaping responsible and capable youth for the nation.
इस नृत्य में ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारतीय सेना की जीत का रचनात्मक प्रदर्शन भी है.
Now, with this performance, we salute the values of unity, leadership, and service that are the real identities of NCC and the driving power of Yuva Shakti. Now, let us feel the spirit of Veer Dhara come alive.
जन गण मन अधिनायक हम हैं, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम हैं. जन गण मन अधिनायक हम हैं, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम हैं. और फौलाद
फौलादी है इरादे, और फौलादी है इरादे, भारत का स्वाभिमान भी हम हैं। जन गण मन अधिनायक हम हैं, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम हैं। नव विकास का जोश हमारा, अमृत काल का भारत न्यारा, दुनिया के संग कदम मिलाकर ऊंचा करे तिरंगा प्यारा। हम गनी आविष्कारी, हमको देखे दुनिया सारी, हम ही रक्षक हम है ज्ञानी, लिखेंगे हम नई कहानी। हमने विकास की अब है कहानी, ये बदले भारत का दम है। जन गण मन अधिनायक हम है, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम है।
नदियों से है प्रेम हमारा, स्वच्छ हो जल एनसीसी का नारा। भारत का मान बढ़ाएंगे, सागर भी स्वच्छ बनाएंगे।
माँ के नाम वृक्ष लगाकर पर्यावरण महकाएंगे। हम शांति दूत योद्धा स्वरूप, हम जननायक हम विश्वजीत। हम शांति दूत योद्धा स्वरूप, हम जननायक हम विश्वजीत। जी और जीने के पथ करते हैं सब अहिंसा से भी। नई तस्वीर बनी भारत की, इसे बनाने वाले हम हैं। जन गण मन अधिनायक हम हैं, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम हैं। अनुशासन है गहना अपना, इससे ही नवनीव रखेंगे। एकता के बल पर हम अपनी खुद तकदीर लिखेंगे। अब तो कैडेट वाली जिद है, देश का ही अपना, नहीं थकेंगे नहीं थमेंगे, बड़े कदम अब नहीं रुकेंगे। हमें अधिकारी और खिलाड़ी, सारी दुनिया जीते हम हैं। जन गण मन अधिनायक हम हैं, वीर धरा के कैडेट हम हैं। देश तन मन देश प्राण है, देश हमारा अपनी शान है। देश मान है, स्वाभिमान है, और हमारी पहचान है। हम भारत के सैनिक अंधियारों में करें उजाले, बलिदान किया जाए तो हमने शेर के दाग निकाले। चट्टानों से हम टकराए, लहर भी हम, तूफान भी हम, तूफान भी हम हैं।
तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमया के पथ पर चलते हुए विकसित भारत का संकल्प सिद्ध करें। भारत को सशक्त और समृद्ध बनाकर प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर करें। भारत को स्वच्छ, स्वस्थ और आत्मनिर्भर बनाकर विश्व कीर्तिमान से सजाएंगे, विश्व कीर्तिमान से सजाएंगे।
भारत विशाल सतयुग तान, ज्योति चमके लाल लाल। भारत विशाल सतयुग तान, ज्योति चमके लाल लाल। भारत विशाल सतयुग तान, ज्योति चमके लाल लाल। हम है मशाल, हम है कमाल, भारत के लाल हम है कमाल। भारत के लाल हम है कमाल।
After this breathtaking performance, we now move to the southern part of the country, Kerala. Kerala's art and culture are a vibrant blend of ancient Vedic roots and Sanskrit influences, where the art forms like Kathakali, Theyyam, and Kalaripayattu, alongside rich festivals, literature, and a distinct aesthetic emphasizing elegance and naturalism. Deeply religious and community festivals involve elaborate ritual music and dance, showcasing devotion and cultural heritage. Malayalam literature has a rich tradition, evolving with influence from Sanskrit and other local dialects. The landscape of Kerala is reflected in its art with natural themes and motifs. Kerala's music and dances are rich traditions, dominated by classical forms like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, alongside vibrant folk styles like Thiruvadirga Kalli and Kudiyattam, featuring unique storytelling rhymes and using instruments such as chenda and rindagam. We now present a ballet by the cadets of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we, the cadets of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate, brings to life the eternal story of our planet.
आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक ऐसी कथा जहां प्रकृति की सृष्टिकर्ता भी है और संहारक भी.
The five forces of our life, the Panch Tattva, earth, water, fire, air and sky, weave harmony and hope.
जीवन की चेतना धरती के कण कण में जाग उठती है.
But human desire turns into greed, polluting and scaring the sacred land.
Mother Earth weeps, no longer gentle, she turns fierce. उसके आंसू बनते हैं बाढ़, आग और तूफान.
As destruction rises, realization dawns. चेतना जागती है, करुणा लौटती है और धरती फिर से हरी भरी बन जाती है.
This is the story of awakening and rebirth,
presenting Dance of Divinity.
भूत, भूमि, जल, अग्नि, वायु और आकाश, प्रकृति से जुड़ी संयुक्त शक्तियां.
జరిగే ప్రతి చర్యకి సాక్ష్యం చేసే ప్రతి కర్మకి సత్యం అసత్యాలకి విహితం రహస్యాలకి కన్నిటికున్నది సాక్ష్యం.
தேடல் இல்லாத உயிருண்டா சொல்லம்மா, எல்லாம் உன்னுள்ளே அதை தேடு கண்ணம்மா.
Fire.
धरती ने हमें जीवन और आश्रय दिया और बदले में यही है हमारा व्यवहार, उसे प्रदूषित करना. हम इंसान श्रेष्ठ है, तुम लोग हमसे हीन हो. तुम लोग कुछ भी नहीं हो, मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगी. हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमें एक स्वर्ग सौंपा था, लेकिन हमने उसे नष्ट किया। हमने इस संसार को तोड़ा है और अब इसे पुनर्जीवित करना ही सबसे महान दिव्य सेवा है।
With this soulful performance by the cadets, we have now come to the end of the cultural program.
Said, you are the future. Most of my, I'm addressing the cadets, so people in the front benches may feel ignored, but doesn't matter. Today is their day. So, you are the future of this nation. सब कुछ जो ये देश करने वाला है, आप लोगों के कंधे पे करने वाला है. So, आप लोग जो करेंगे, वही ये देश बन जाएगा. We saw so many programs today, 3 of them, and every program was sending some message or the other. What my request to you will be that all these messages that we try to convey or we listen to or we see, let's not forget them once we go back home. Let's not forget this, whatever is being taught to you here during your NCC tenure. When you grow up, to get on with your life, when you take up a job, do a business, join forces, wherever you go, we should not forget these basics which are being taught to us. And I will refer to some of the basics during my this address. So I'm very sure if you follow the values that NCC is teaching you, if you keep them with you throughout your life, you will lead a very good life and you will lead a very satisfying life, and you'll do something for the nation. So my compliments to each one of you, for people who were there at the parade, people in the band, people who have performed today. I think exceptional show has been put up, and compliments from you and your teachers and those officers who teach you. This National Cadet Corps, I'm told, is 20 lakh plus now. It is the single largest uniformed organization in the world with such large number. And the values that I I talked about, the values of the patriotism, values of unity, values of discipline, moral courage that is being taught to you. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो देशभक्ति, एकता, नेतृत्व की भावना और नैतिकता की भावना जो तुमको सिखाई जा रही है, ये सब आपके जीवन में, चाहे ये सब चीज़ें अनिवार्य हैं, चाहे आप एक सोल्जर हो या मिलिट्री लीडर हो या फिर कोई भी प्रोफेशन में हो, कुछ भी करो आगे जाके, अगर ये वैल्यूज रहेंगी तो आप एक अच्छा नागरिक बन पाओगे, एक अच्छे सिटीजन बन पाओगे. एंड वॉट एवर यू डू, इट डजंट मैटर, हाउ यू डू इज व्हाट मैटर्स. आप लोगों का योगदान जो अभी बताया गया ये एक प्रोग्राम में भी और वैसे भी ब्रीफिंग में भी बताया गया, द वे यू हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू नेशन बिल्डिंग, जिस तरह आप डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो. अभी ये एक पेड़ माँ के नाम की बात हो रही थी, या फिर एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की बात हुई है पहले, या पुनीत सागर अभियान, या किसी भी ऐसे चीज़ में जो आपका योगदान रहा है देश निर्माण की तरफ, नेशन बिल्डिंग की तरफ, वो सराहनीय है, बहुत अच्छा है. और मेरे को आज ब्रीफिंग करी गई है कि 3 बार एनसीसी कैडेट्स ने माउंट एवरेस्ट को सबमिट किया है, और तीसरी बार लास्ट ईयर जब हुआ था, मेरे को उनसे मिलने का मौका फिर मिला था, वो आए थे मेरे हेडक्वार्टर में. एंड सबसे जो छोटी लड़की थी वो जस्ट अबाउट 16 ईयर्स, 45 kgs ऑफ वेट. तो इस उम्र में ऐसा एक ऐसा कार्य कर जाना, जिसके लिए लोग पता नहीं कितने सालों तक परिश्रम करते रहते हैं और तैयारी करते रहते हैं, ये बहुत ही सराहनीय है. एंड माय कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू ईच वन ऑफ यू एंड योर टीम्स व्हिच आर नॉट हियर.
Symbolically represent continued dedication and steadfast commitment of the 20 lakh NCC cadets towards nation building. Now the Chief of Air Staff will present a memento to the DG NCC. I request Air Chief Marshal AP Singh and Mrs. Sarita Singh to present a gift hamper to the participating cadets. Now we request you, sir and ma'am, for a photograph with the cadets. Thank you, sir and ma'am.